Hello guys, today I received these shoes. I think they are perfect. The first thing that I like, I'm opening it, that I like of these shoes is that the upper mesh has a good air permeability. Okay, they're like this. Okay, they're like opening off here inside, and I think it came like very perfect protected because it comes with this paper inside. Okay, the second thing is that the magic buckle, it's adjustable. Okay, like you can see there, you can adjust here this part. Okay, let me open it. It's like this. The third thing is that the shock resistance of outsole air cushion. Okay, here it's in the inside, and this is how it looks like this. I like, really, you don't know how I like this thing in the shoes. They're perfect for walking all the time. Okay, and the fourth thing that I like, it's that the outsole, it's non-slip. Okay, it's like this. Okay, I'm going to show you the other. It comes with a bag here inside. Okay, so I think it's perfect. I'm going to try it and I'm going to show you. And I think that with these ones, you obviously need to use I'm going to put that too. Obviously you need to put the like a sock, okay, because you're walking all the time. So I think it will be perfect, and I'm going to try it and then I'm going to show you. Okay guys, I'm already trying my shoe. I have my sock black, and I think it fits perfect. I'm number 6 and I asked obviously for number 6 and it's perfect. Okay, so I think that the size, it's correct, and it's also very easy to put it. Okay, it's like this, and you just need to adjust the buckle. Okay, and it looks like this. I'm going to show it. Okay guys, it looks like this, the shoes. Okay, really, you can imagine how comfortable it is walking with these ones, because really this part, it is really, if you can touch it, you will finish loving it. This part, it's really incredible. It's like the air cushion. Wow, you can imagine. And they are very comfortable for walking all the day. Okay, you can be walking, and I think I have one shoes like this, and I always said that when I put it, I said that I felt like on the clouds, because really it's super comfortable. I hope you like it too much.